Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. It's Christmas and I'm about to do my makeup. I need to go home. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna film the ending of a hair video that I have to film, and then I'm gonna try to put some makeup on so I can look half decent for Christmas, get my stuff together, and then hopefully get on the road because it's time to go have some Christmas cheer with the fam. But this is just grape juice, by the way. It's so yummy. I need the sweets because I got a lot to do today. So Glow by Day Bonnet if you care. Okay? Link below. But yeah, I'm about to put some makeup on, but these brows, sis. These brows got me feeling un-Christmassy. Like, I'm gonna try to do something. A little plucking, girl. And then I'm gonna film. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna do a little plucking. I'm gonna film, get some stuff done. Say hi, Sky. She's pissed with me because I won't play with her because I got stuff to do. I'm gonna get it together and then I'll come right back, hopefully looking glam and cute and ready to go. So I have successfully filmed. I've done my makeup. I've done my hair. I'm pretty much ready to go, but I need to go ahead and edit some footage. This is the memory card that my footage is on. Can y'all see that? It's 128 gigs. And so, I need to put this baby in the back of my computer so I can get started. Okay, y'all, I finally got the video ready. It's already scheduled. Thumbnail, all that is done. I'm in my bathroom. Ooh. Trying to think of what else I need. I'm probably not gonna take anything with me because my mom has everything that I possibly need. So I don't think I'm gonna take anything. I'm gonna put some lip stuff on though, cause I need to be like me. Lips crusty, friend. Y'all, it's so gone, this Laneige. Look at that. Juicy lips, just be looking juicy. All right, Sky is acting a hot mess because it's Christmas. It's Christmas, honey. It's Christmas, Sky. Y'all, she look at her. Got her little toy. Sky, come here. Come here. Look at the toy. She's trying to get me to play with her. Uh-oh. Look at you, about to choke, child. All right. I just got this little carry bag and my purse. I don't know what shoes I'm wearing. I'm trying to get out this door and Sky is acting a hot mess fool. How cute. Sky, you getting too big to be running around like that. Y'all want to see my gifts? These are the Christmas gifts that I have. This is my cousin's, which is an air fryer. This is my dad's. It's like a little grill set with a stainless steel carrying case. This is a fire tablet. And then I just bought myself the iPhone XS, X whatever. Y'all know, whatever. 256 gigs. I just bought myself this. Where's my phone? I don't know. Anyway, I just bought myself a new phone, so I was giving my dad my phone, and I have the case and everything, so he gets to open it like it's a real gift. And I'll be like, listen, sir, it ain't brand new, but it's the iPhone 10, so I need to see how much cash or money I got. Okay, anyway, this is the phone, y'all. Need to see how much cash I got because I gotta give my mom some cash. And my nephew, 20, 40, 60, 80, $110. So I got $110 in cash. I'm giving my mom, I'm taking her on a $200 shopping spree. The only reason it's just $200 is because, not that I need to tell y'all why it's just $200, because some, like, $200 for a Christmas gift is legit. But, my mother's birthday is January 9th, and I'm getting her closet organized, so she gonna have to deal with just this $200. Okay. But I don't know what she wants. Like, I don't know. I tried to find the AirPods, y'all, and that went terribly wrong. There's no AirPods to be found in Atlanta, like nowhere. So I'm just gonna tell her she can, because we're going to the mall. We doing like the after Christmas sales, and I figured like she might as well just pick out whatever she want herself, and I'll just get it, and that'll be her Christmas gift. So that's what I'm doing for her. I have to put the packages, the gifts and stuff in the car, and get everything all round up, and I will chit chat with you guys when I get in the car. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys, but I am in the car. We're on our way to the parents' place, and Sky is having the time of her life. But so my mom has $1 and something off gas. Like she buys stuff, like she has different deals with different like Home Depot and stuff like that. That if she buys stuff, she gets a, you know, a cent or something off of gas. So she done racked up a whole $1 and something, and she's like, don't get much gas on your way home. And I'm like, don't worry, $1 and stuff for some gas, sis. Mama, we in there. Hi guys, so I made it to my parents' house. Game, Sky, good times. Can y'all see me? Anyway, it is 10 o'clock, no, it's 9 o'clock on Christmas night, and I just literally went to Walgreens to get some wine because I had nothing to drink. And I'm hungry, and I don't want any ribs anymore. So I'm about to pull up the Sonic, y'all. This is a sad Christmas. And the only reason like my mom didn't cook is because she's working right now. She's a nurse, so if you have a nurse mom, you know how this goes. Pulling up at the Sonic, baby. Not looking very open right now.
Hey, we choose Sonic. Hey, how may I help you?
Oh, 1 second, I'm just looking. I'll just get the number 4 with toast instead of the bun. And tater tots, please.
A drink, ma'am?
A cranberry slushie. Ooh, how beautiful is this, y'all? It's so pretty. I was trying to tell Scott to look. She's trying to look at my hamburger though. Y'all can't see her, but she tried it. Okay. I came to Bath and Body Works today. It's the day after Christmas. So, I really want this. This smells so good. But my mom said she has it at the house, so I'm like, sis, let me get that. I still ain't got my candles though. From ooh, what's this? Try me. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So quiet in the mall today. Spend all their money. Look at the Black Santa. I'm videoing. Okay. Okay. What are they? Let's see. Yeah, it is. Baby, my food looking good. Made me wanna say. Yes, it's $1.62 for V-Power. Thanks to mommy.
If you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah. I'm talking about Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Tell me how you want me. Yeah. Tell me and I'm on my way.
Okay, y'all. So today is it Wednesday? Thursday? Today is Thursday, guys. And I'm heading back to Atlanta because I was at home in Cordell, Georgia for about 2 or 3 days or so for Christmas. So now I'm heading to Atlanta because I have to drop off Sky at the house, and then I have to go for a hair appointment with Aveda, guys. So I don't know what they're gonna do, but it's crazy because I'm getting my hair straightened for New Year's, which is literally like next week. So I'm like, what do I want for them to do today? So I don't know. They're gonna wash it, and I don't know if I'm gonna take my camera in there, but I think I should. Like, I should take my camera. So yeah, I'm kind of excited, but then again, I'm like, listen, do not F up my hair, because we're gonna have some problems, okay? So I told him, I was like, listen, no heat, no nothing like that, just wash. I just need somebody else to wash my head. just massage my head, like, I'll be okay. But no, I'm working with them in the future, so I wanted to get a good idea of a lot of the products and stuff, so I'm kind of excited about them, which is cool.
Can you love me naked? Yeah, yeah.
Okay guys, so I have dropped off Sky and I changed my clothes because I want it to be a lot more casual. So I just pulled up to the salon, so I'm about to get my hair done. Wait, is this really close? Ooh. Oh, there we go. So I'm about to go get my hair done. You guys know I just did nothing today, okay? I wanted them to have a horrible time working with my hair. I want to see what they can do. I want to see what they can do. So I'm about to go in here and get my hair done. Okay.
I'm choosing to use this one just because it's moisturizing, it's lightweight.
Oh, okay. This is the Brilliant, you said?
Yeah, this is the Brilliant. I was going to use the Damage Remedy, but the Damage Remedy has protein in there and moisture.
Oh.
You know, if you over protein your hair, then it just starts to make it dry.
Y'all, so I've made it back home. It's really like rainy out there, but this is my wash and go, y'all. Let me see if I can show y'all. This is how my wash and go ended up looking from Aveda Salon, and I actually like it. It's fluffy, it's dry, but like it's not even super stretched yet, but it feels so soft. Like, I like it. It's different. I can't wait to test out these products in my own way in some like soaking water. It wasn't like a diva salon, so they weren't able to like detangle me in the sink and stuff like that, so it's just a little different. So I think me using kind of like the same products or little different variations of the same product would be amazing. So I hope you guys like this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye. Mwah.